Hi everyone, Alexa here. Hope everyone is having a great day. Today I am going to be sharing with you some more tips on navigating social situations as a vegan, and today I'm going to be diving in particularly when it comes to parties and events and going to other people's houses. So without further ado, let's get started. My suggestion is to contact the host and volunteer to make some contributions in food options to the party. So for example, if it comes to making a meal, I will often volunteer to bring my own food, so it takes the stress off the host for having to prepare a separate meal. And in addition to that, I will also volunteer to contribute some appetizers or desserts that are crowd-pleasing to non-vegans. If the host is happy to help accommodate you, that is amazing. Be grateful for their efforts. Hopefully these tips help you enjoy yourself and make the most of any of your outings. So, that is my video for today. I will see you next video. Take care. Bye-bye.